Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to share and access a drive in a network in Windows. So here we will just give a permission to share the particular folder or drive in a network, and we'll access the drive to into that network with the another system or computer or server. Okay, so let me check my IP address. My IP address is 192.168.1.3, and I have another system. That system IP address is let me check, ping and check, 192.168.1.4. So this system is accessible in network, and my system IP is 3. So I'm going to remote take a remote for the that system, and I will just share the folder from that system. So mstsc for the remote control, I'm giving their computer IP address, username and password. So this is the another system. Let me check with the IP address. So that's the another system IP address is 192.168.1.4. So I will share a folder from 1.4, and I will access that folder in my system. So let me create one folder. So in D drive I'm creating one folder, new folder, share folder. So right click on that particular folder, go to the properties and go to the sharing, and in sharing you will get an advanced sharing option. Go there, just there is a checkbox, click on checkbox, has the permission, and whatever the permission you want to give, you can give the permission from here. So I'm giving the full permission for this particular folder, and apply. Okay, again you have to apply and okay. Now it will give you the path. So this will path will with the system name. So let me copy this path. So this is my path. I can access with this path or with the IP address also. So secondary option is I'll just change this one to 192.168.1.4. Now copy both the path and give close this one, and come to your system. I'm going to access this folder, Windows plus R, then put into run and click on open. Not opening. Let me check with the firewall. Okay, firewall is on now. Just turn off the firewall for testing purpose only. Now I am able to get the username password option in on the secondary server or secondary system. So I'll put the administrator, my username is administrator, I have a password. So enter. You can able to see, you can access this folder here. Now I'm creating one file, test file. I'm giving the name of the text file, and go to your remote system and check here. Inside the folder you will get the test file. Okay. So whatever we will share in this file, we can get it from there. And in this way we can share the folder from one system to another system. So in this video we have learned how to share and access a folder or drive in the network in Windows. So we have already seen in the video. So please subscribe and like for the more videos. Thank you for watching.